Hello everybody and welcome to नीट मेंटर। नीट यूजी 2021 के लिए उत्तर प्रदेश में नाइन न्यू मेडिकल कॉलेजेस फॉर MBBS कोर्स are going to get added on 30th of July, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji will do inauguration. So that's the topic today, and if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel. It's a great platform for NEET UG and PG related counseling process, and if you like the video, then definitely hit the like button. And for the paid counseling process, we do provide paid counseling process for NEET UG as well as NEET PG. Right now we are giving 20% discount on total service charges, and once you avail the paid service, it will be applicable for government colleges counseling, private colleges and deemed colleges, both for your domicile state as well as open states, all India quota counseling and as well as your state level counseling. So whichever way is possible for getting a seat is possible only through counseling process. So we will providing you guidance related to that, and starting from the day you avail the paid service until you get the seat, it will be available, and our one of the counselor will be in touch with you for all the updates and details, how you need to do the choice filling and everything. In case you fail to get seat in the particular year due to any of limitation like budget limitation, state constant or anything, then it will continue for next year without any extra charges. There is guarantee that there is no risk of year wastage. If you want admission in the same year, we will analyze and tell you that you will definitely get admission in the same year, or we can say it's tentative to get admission. Okay, now let's proceed with the topic. So EP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Prime Minister Narendra Modi had a meeting on the same topic, and PM Modi to inaugurate 9 new medical colleges in Uttar Pradesh on 30th of July. Total medical colleges increase in last 5 years in UP is 4 times. So that's a significant number, and we have seen for PG as well as UG, the regulations have come under so much favorable to students. Like we had so much of hidden fee and hostel fee in private medical colleges in Uttar Pradesh. So those have been limited from last year. So government has taken few good steps to curb all the hidden fees and all the difficulties that a student had to face after taking admission into private colleges in UP. So now you can change your mindset that UP is not location wise as well, it's a good option, as well as quality education you can find there, and number of seats, if we talk about MBBS seats, is in the second place after Karnataka, and number of applicant also from NEET for NEET examination comes like so much of application from Uttar Pradesh, and government is trying to establish one hospital and medical college from in each of the district. Okay, so new medical college will become functional right after the inauguration, and take total number of medical college state up to 48 on. See, in these districts, Deoria, Etawah, Fatehpur, Gazipur, Hardoi, Jaunpur, Mirzapur, Pratapgarh and Siddharthnagar. In these 9 districts, they are going to inaugurate on 30th of July. That's very good news for all people, all candidates who wrote NEET AG 2021 exam, who are going to write NEET examination, because Uttar Pradesh is ultimately an open state. So even you don't come from UP, it's beneficial for you, because you can participate in all India counseling as well as for private medical counseling. You can directly apply for state level counseling. And according to government, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, administrator have been asked to complete all the necessary arrangement on time, and it will be a historic occasion for the state Uttar Pradesh when all the 9 medical colleges in the 9 districts are inaugurated simultaneously at the same time. For new medical colleges will be functional by end of this year. Okay, and in a separate video I will share some more good news coming for Uttar Pradesh. So they are going to means reform complete medical facility, and it will be very good for the candidates coming from UP and others. So it should be noted that only 12 medical college was available until March 2017, and since CM Yogi Adityanath led the government came into power, 36 new medical colleges have been added to the state. So that's commendable job by state government related to medical facility. And considering COVID-19 also, they have faced so much of lack in infrastructure and medical facilities. So definitely across India they are going to give a huge budget towards improving their medical infrastructure across country, and in UP they have taken it to another level. So thanks for watching. If you have any kind of suggestion, we are going to create a separate video for each state counseling related, and it will be lengthy, approx 15 to 20 minutes each video, and where you can find all the data related to particular state counseling process. So one place to get entire information for a state. So thanks for watching and have a nice day, and all the best for your preparation for MBBS examination. So thanks for watching again.